Welcome to Reviews Heaven. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best salad spinners to help you find the perfect tool for fresh, crisp, and clean salads. Whether you're looking for a large capacity spinner for family dinners, something compact for quick meals, or a versatile model that doubles as a serving bowl, we've got you covered. We'll review the top picks, including options from OXO, Cuisinart, Farberware, Brigii, and SveBake, each with unique features to make washing, drying, and serving salads easier than ever. Stick around to find out which salad spinner will be the best fit for your kitchen and make healthy eating a breeze. Let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner. Introducing the OXO Good Grips Large Salad Spinner, a game-changer for drying salad greens with ease. Since 1998, OXO has transformed salad spinners into a must-have kitchen tool, and this updated version takes convenience to the next level. With a soft, non-slip knob, users can dry greens with just one hand, and the patented brake system stops the spin instantly for easy unloading. This feature makes it efficient and user-friendly, even during busy meal prep. The 6.22-quart bowl sits steady on the countertop thanks to its non-skid base, ensuring stability throughout use. Plus, the basket doubles as a colander, while the durable clear bowl can also serve as a storage or serving bowl, adding versatility to your kitchen. This spinner is built to handle more than just lettuce. It's perfect for rinsing all kinds of produce, from broccoli to fresh herbs. With its modern design, easy cleaning lid, and smart storage lock, the OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner makes fresh, crisp salads a breeze every time. Number 2. Cuisinart Salad Spinner. Meet the Cuisinart 3-quart Salad Spinner, a compact, efficient tool for washing, spinning, and drying salad greens, fruits, and vegetables. With its convenient design, users can add and drain water through a top opening, avoiding the need to remove the lid. The easy-to-turn knob delivers a smooth spinning action, perfect for quickly drying herbs, berries, or smaller salad portions. This spinner is designed for stability, with a non-skid base that keeps it steady, preventing any sliding during use. Its clear bowl doubles as a serving bowl, making it versatile for both prep and presentation. The 3-quart capacity is ideal for smaller salads or individual servings, fitting perfectly into compact kitchens or for those cooking for one or two. With its lifetime warranty, Cuisinart guarantees long-lasting performance. While some users mention the locking mechanism can be a bit tricky, they still praise its smooth spinning and effectiveness in drying greens. Overall, this salad spinner combines convenience, efficiency, and versatility, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 3. Farberware Easy-to-Use Pro Pump Spinner with Bowl. Introducing the Farberware Pro Pump Salad Spinner, a versatile tool that makes preparing fresh salads and produce easy and quick. This 6.6-quart spinner is perfect for washing and drying large batches of greens, fruits, and veggies. Its efficient pump mechanism allows for convenient, one-handed operation. Simply push down to start spinning and press the brake button for an instant stop. This spinner is more than just a drying tool. Its basket doubles as a colander, while the clear, durable bowl serves as a large salad or mixing bowl. With a generous capacity, it's great for family meals, making it easy to prepare enough crisp salad for everyone. Designed with a non-slip base, the Farberware spinner stays steady on countertops, preventing slips and protecting surfaces. Although hand wash only, it's engineered for ease, making meal prep simpler for busy cooks. With the Farberware Pro Pump Spinner, preparing nutritious meals has never been easier. Number 4. Brigii Salad Spinner with Double Drainage Holes. Introducing the Brigii 4.24-quart Salad Spinner, a handy tool designed to make salad prep effortless and quick. With its simple crank handle, users can easily wash, spin, and drain greens without removing the lid. Just add water through the top, spin to clean, and drain through the convenient double drainage holes. This efficient design keeps things neat and easy. Beyond lettuce, the Brigii spinner is ideal for washing berries, drying veggies, and more. adding versatility to daily kitchen tasks. With a 4.24 capacity, it's perfectly sized for preparing salads for families or small gatherings, helping to make healthy eating simple. For extra safety, the Brigii spinner includes a non-slip base that ensures stability on the countertop, making the drying process worry-free. If you're looking for a reliable, space-saving solution to make fresh salads and prep produce, the Brigii salad spinner is an excellent choice for any busy kitchen. Number 5. SveBake Stainless Steel Large Salad Spinner. Introducing the SveBake Stainless Steel Salad Spinner, a durable and elegant solution for washing and drying greens, vegetables, and more. Built with a robust 18/8 stainless steel bowl and BPA-free materials, this 4.2-quart spinner is designed to handle everything from delicate berries to hearty veggies like kale and broccoli. Its ergonomic knob offers smooth, precise control, allowing for efficient, gentle spinning that preserves the quality of your greens. The non-slip silicone base provides excellent stability, preventing movement even at peak spinning speeds. Once washed, the stylish stainless steel bowl doubles as an attractive serving dish, adding convenience and versatility to your kitchen. With minimal parts, cleaning is a breeze, and the spinner is dishwasher safe, making it easy to maintain. An essential for any well-equipped kitchen, the SveBake spinner keeps produce fresh, crisp, and ready to enjoy. It's a practical yet stylish tool that's perfect for both everyday use and as a thoughtful gift. Thanks for watching Reviews Heaven. We hope our top 5 best salad spinners review helped you find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Whether it's crisp greens or versatile use, these spinners offer it all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links below to grab yours today.